Hello, you're currently listening to me on a wireless USB-C lavalier mic. There's two of them, which is the one I'm holding. There's one right here, as you can see. This thing was about $20, which is a pretty good price, but I just wanted to compare it. Just a couple of different options that you might consider when recording audio. This thing is meant to be used for your phone because it's USB-C, but it also comes with a full-size USB adapter if you want to use a computer, and a lightning adapter if you have an iPhone, which is an interesting point that I need to get to later. But I also wanted to compare it to a wired lavalier mic, which I bought like 6 years ago. The thing's pretty old. Spoilers, I think this mic is pretty good if you have a lot of background noise, which I'm going to test. But depending on your use case, maybe it's not the best choice for you. I'm going to do a silent test and I'll play some background noise. We're going to do this, the wired one, the phone itself, and then just like the cheapo Apple EarPods that used to come with the phone, not anymore. All right, let's do it. This is the microphone. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. This is silence. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. 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 S22. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Alright, now the noise is on. I'm talking a bit louder because it is kind of loud. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing. There was a car horn honk right there. Testing, testing. That was a car horn. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Click the noise again. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. I'm looking for the car horn. There it is. All right, perfect. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. There's the car horn. Okay. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. There you go. That's the car horn right there. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. That was the car horn. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. 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 That's the car horn again. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. All right. All right. So I originally thought that it sounds like a Bluetooth headset while using my S22. On my iPhone, it sounded more natural. But I listened back to it and it sounds like more bassy on the S22 now. It's very up to you for this one, which one you prefer, or if you prefer it at all, actually. But yeah, I'll finish the test off by using the computer so that we have like unfiltered at all. Here we go. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Play the noise. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Something's rattling in there. Not very confidence inspiring. This is pretty good. The perks of it is that it's wireless. Yeah, something about the lightning adapter is like it's very finicky. If you touch a little bit, sometimes it disconnects for a moment. If you like the way it sounds, go ahead and buy it. I'll have a link in the description of where to find it. It's like about 20 bucks. But yeah, that's all for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.